In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect hosting on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll have your domain onboarded, a quick DNS scan completed, sensible bot protections in place, and the right plan selected to get you up and running. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard and heading to the domains area. This is where you manage every domain connected to your account. Look for the option to onboard a domain, click it, and you'll be prompted to enter your existing domain. Type your root domain only, without HTTP or HTTPS, and without any path. Keeping it clean here helps Cloudflare recognize your setup correctly. Next, choose the quick scan for DNS records. This is the recommended option because Cloudflare will automatically discover common records like A, CNAME, and MX from your current host. It saves time and reduces manual entry errors. After the scan, you'll be able to review and fine-tune anything later, so don't worry if you're not sure about every record right now. You'll then see a setting related to blocking AI training bots. Cloudflare provides three choices. Block on all pages applies a broad rule across your entire site to stop known AI crawler user agents, which is a simple, safe default while you're getting set up. Block only on host names with ads narrows that protection to specific subdomains that serve ads, useful if you monetize certain sections differently. Do not block allows these crawlers to access your content. For now, select block on all pages, which keeps things straightforward and consistent. You can always return to this setting later and refine it as your policy evolves. Click. Continue to move forward. You'll land on the plan selection screen. Cloudflare offers free, pro, business, and enterprise tiers. Free includes core performance and security features that are more than enough for most sites getting started. Pro adds optimization and image features helpful for small businesses and content-heavy sites. Business is built for higher traffic and advanced controls. Enterprise provides customized performance, compliance, and support for large organizations. To begin, choose the free plan. It's cost-effective and lets you validate your setup before upgrading. That's it for the initial connect flow. You've onboarded your domain, imported DNS records with a quick scan, set a clear policy for AI training bots, and selected the right plan to start. After this, Cloudflare will guide you through any remaining configuration inside the dashboard. Take a moment to review your DNS records and confirm they match what your hosting provider expects. When everything looks good, you're ready to benefit from Cloudflare's speed and protection.